Hey guys, welcome to another video by Blissful Techno Health. My name is Alex, and I'm going to be showing you how to troubleshoot a network adapter, or to troubleshoot if your internet is not working through your network adapter. Usually when you're having a problem with your network adapter, you'll notice down here mine is working fine. So where I don't have a problem, it's showing that it's connected with internet access. Sometimes when it's not working, it will say connected, no internet access, with a yellow sign on it with an exclamation mark, or a red X that it's not got any connection. The difference between those two is if it has a yellow sign with an exclamation mark with no internet access, typically that means you're still connected to a network. So you might have the inside of your network, on the inside of your router, on your private network, your computers can still talk to each other. This computer can still talk to other computers on the network. It just can't access the internet on the other side of your home router to get to web pages. If it has a red X, that means there is no connection. You're not connected, okay? And I don't have a cable plugged in. This is a virtual machine that I'm showing you this on. So I don't have a cable plugged in to unplug it to show you what that red X looks like. But if you want to see what that looks like, unplug the network cable from the back of your computer. Or if you're connecting wireless, you'll have a little wireless signal with the same emblems on it, same signs. So if you have either one of those, first thing you want to do is always check your device manager. So if you're running Windows 10, just right click on the start menu and come up to device manager. Okay, look, my virtual machine's missing a driver. First thing you want to do is check your network adapter. Okay, if it's missing a driver, it's going to look like this yellow one. I'm kind of glad that showed up because it shows you what it would look like. And when I pulled up device manager, it immediately showed that. So if that's the case, if there is a yellow exclamation mark on it, you want to go ahead and right click on it, uninstall it, go ahead and confirm it. If there's a tick here, don't check the tick. It says delete this driver. Don't do that yet. We want to take it one step at a time. So what you want to do is uninstall it. It's going to disappear. Then you want to restart your computer. Hope this is all making sense to you. There's a few command prompts we're going to use as well, and I could pause this, but I'm not, because it boots pretty fast. But so basically what happens is sometimes the network adapter gets just broke in the device manager. The drivers get broke. You uninstall it, let it refresh itself, boom, it fixes the problem. That actually is pretty common. So if you have, don't worry about that. That's just this not connecting to a test folder that I created. So if it's still not working after that, you could go through that same process. Device manager, network adapters, delete it, and if it gives you the option to uninstall, to completely delete the driver, you could try that method as well. Okay? If you're still having problems, if you still can't get online, there's a few command lines you can run in the command prompt. Okay? The most commonly used one that I've been able to use that actually works sometimes, well, you can get to command prompt in different ways. Now in Windows 10 it's PowerShell, which you can do it from Windows PowerShell as well, but you're going to want to be in as an admin. So you can go to PowerShell, or you can go to run and go to command prompt, but you want to be sure you're getting there as an admin. So you type it down here, right click command prompt, run as administrator. That will bring you up to your command prompt. Okay, or you can do it from Windows PowerShell. If you don't know what the differences are between command prompt and PowerShell, don't worry about that right now. Just know that they're both a command line interface. They are very different. So this here, netsh space winsock space reset. Okay, that is going to reset the network stack, the winsock catalog. Okay, so now you can restart You can either type this command in since you're already here, or you can go ahead and go to start, shut down, or start, the start button and restart. I'm going to type this in. We're going to reboot this thing. Hello. Why isn't it accepting my command? There it goes. And basically what that does is that resets the whole network stack. So if there's anything network related that's broken in Windows, that should fix the problem. Unless there's absolute corruption in Windows, which you might try to file check. But if that's the case, then you probably want to just wipe and reload your OS. Or there's a possibility you could be battling a bad network card. Doing all this doesn't fix it. So if this still doesn't fix it, and you're still getting, if you're getting a red X, you definitely are probably looking at a bad network card. But you also want to make sure, most importantly always, first thing, like I said, when you want to unplug and plug in your cable. If you want to see that red X, unplug your cable, plug it in, and it will go away. If you go down and look down under your computer and it's not plugged in, you got the red X, well that's because it's not plugged in, and it's a simple fix, plug it in. I hope all this is making sense so far, that you're following along. Pretty easy to troubleshoot, no internet or a network adapter not working. If you've checked your cable, it's plugged in, both lights are going on your network adapter, and what I mean by both lights is you're going to have an amber light and a green light. Okay? If both your lights are going, flashing, looks like it's connected, you've got your network adapter, you uninstalled it, reinstalled it, and you've run your WinSock reset. Those are the three main things. I haven't seen anything else in my 13 years. Really, I mean, maybe I have. I probably have. It's just that it's so uncommon to have anything else cause this problem. Typically, if it's still not working, you got a bad network adapter or a bad router or a bad switch wherever your network cable is plugging into. Or in this case, or not in this case, but in another case, if you're running on a wireless card, then your wireless card is probably bad. Or the router that's emitting the wireless signal that your wireless card picks up could be bad as well. So the next thing you would want to do is go reset your router, which actually is one of the first things you typically want to do, but you can do this in any order that you want. But especially if you're running on a wireless card, reset the router. But you can also check other devices at home. If you have multiple computers and mobile devices, only one computer is not working on the network, chances are it's not the router. If all the devices are down, then your router is not working, or your ISP, aka Internet Service Provider, is having an outage in your area. So that's really about it. Those are all the different scenarios that I can think of right now off the top of my head that would cause your internet not to work or your network adapter not to work. If you guys have any questions, hit me up on the comments down below. Okay, I tried to get through this video kind of quick for you. It's for you, those of you who are trying to troubleshoot it, you want to take all day. So like I said, if you have a comment, or if you want to ask me a question or whatever, leave me a comment down below. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel so you can get all the latest updates. I'm going to continually be making videos over and over. Well, not over and over, but more and more and more and more. Right on, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Have a great day.